Check out our newest feature release. Now you can charge customers and see payments right inside of contacts. I love this new feature because it seamlessly allows you to view and manage all customer payments right inside of contacts, but it allows you to do so much more. Why this matters and how it's going to help you and your business. Now you can access a comprehensive payment tab within the contacts page. You can quickly gauge the customer lifetime value of each contact. You'll also be able to charge customers on the spot with the capability to process ad hoc charges directly from the contact detail page. You'll also now be able to streamline on the fly transactions effortlessly, meaning you can simply take payments in. Now you can manage and charge saved credit cards with ease, and this is going to add flexibility by using any on file cards or adding new cards on the go. So, first, I'm going to have you go into contacts in the left hand navigation, and then make sure you're under the Smart Lists area of the contacts section. And now just go ahead and double click on any contact. What you're going to see in the right hand panel is a new payments area. That is going to allow you to do all different types of things. It's going to show you any transactions, as well as give you the ability to charge their credit card right now with this Charge New button. So we're going to go ahead and in this, we just click the change the card, and we're going to edit those payment details. You're going to add the amount and the description, and you're going to simply select the payment method and then click confirm and change. So to be able to view any of those transactions, now this is in a completely other area. You're going to be able to see those still under the contacts, but this is a different area. You'll select payments on the left-hand navigation, and then you're going to make sure that you're under the transactions tab in the upper navigation menu, and then go ahead and select any one of your contacts and go over to the right side to the three dots and click on that. Now you can click on View Transaction. And from there, you'll be able to see all of the details of that transaction. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.